Hi, in this video I want to show you how to reduce noise in Premiere Pro. So we got this clip selected, and when you hear now, you can hear a lot of noise.
You need to go to advanced, and then you need to go to performance.
So in order to reduce the noise, you need to go to the window, you need to go to essential sound, you need to select the audio clip that you want to reduce the noise, and then you need to select the dialog. In the dialog you can see a place called repair. Select that and then check this tick box called reduce noise, and then by default is in the middle. Move it to the right to 10 to maximize it, and then if I play the audio, it should reduce the sound noise.
And then you need to select settings.
Another thing you could do is to go to window, workplace, and you could go to audio. Here will give you more options to play with. So if I play again,
here we need to select advanced again.
You can hear the noise is still high, so play around with the volume. So let's play, and I'll play around and you can see the difference.
Select here the virtual memory and click on change. In your case it might be no paging file.
You see,
so uncheck no paging file.
Something around here sounds quite okay to me. If I increase it further to near to 15, it makes it very noisy and high pitch. So play around with this volume and then put the reduce noise to the maximum, and in this way,
basically all you got to do is to check.
In this way you should be able to reduce the noise. You can also click on reduce rumble. It can further enhance any static noise.
This checkbox called automatic.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial on Premiere Pro. You can click on the screen to the left to watch my next video or the playlist on Premiere Pro tutorials. Bye bye.